Hey, what's up guys? Josh here. 12 October 2024. Today, let's unbox the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro Titanium Black. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, this is the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro Titanium Black. Because of my tattoos, because these are like very deep ink, the sensors couldn't penetrate to the skin, which tend to stop the watches from monitoring. Example for Apple Watches, from time to time it'll buzz and will tell that no exercise is happening. So I had to restart the exercises. And for the Suunto watches are tough when it comes to battery life, the outstanding GPS technology. And right after trying on the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, I found out that it relatively performs better than the Samsung Watch Ultra, the Apple Watches, and the Suunto, even Garmin when it comes to heart monitoring. Again, just because of my tattoos, sensors couldn't penetrate the skin. But I tried this. They perform not 100%, but at least they can do. So I'll give it a try. And let's unbox this one. But before that, since this is a pre-order, it came with a free Huawei Free Buds 5i. It came again with the Huawei Portable Cup. And it came with the Frisbee. So let's unbox this one. This is size 46. The diameter is 46. See, rubber strap. I actually first ordered the titanium white or silverish, but because of the strap, the links, I doubt that that would fit very well. So this I think is way better. $46mm. Oh, it's comfortable. Feel later because I've purchased the screen protector. Let's try to switch this on. this works with Huawei Health. The Huawei Health. Set this up first. English. Pair. Use QR code. Use QR code. Devices. Pair. Thing requests. Continue on phone. Allow. Click now. Download update. So if you want to download the update, it depends on how fast your Wi-Fi is. But since my Wi-Fi is kind of fast, so I will download it right ahead. So they said transferring the update will take some time. Keep Huawei watch close to your phone and don't use the device. Okay. Crawl. Done. So there's a screenshot, both buttons. Okay. So as instructed, we will not use the watch while updating. It's 40% already. And while waiting for that, let's see what's in the box. Oh, the box is kind of premium. We have the manuals. That's it. And the charger. Oh, this one is nice. The charger comes with a no. I thought it came with a proprietary plug. Nope, it's not. But still uses USB-A, which is weird because this is the latest watch but doesn't have the latest plugs. Okay, and it's not a color matching, so I think regardless of the color of watch that you will buy, may it be the blue one, the titanium white, it'll come with the white colored charger. So let's keep this one. Yeah, that's it. In the box, the watch, the charger, manual. That's all about it. And while waiting for it's 100% finish. Continue. Done. Continue. Enable. Okay. So I'm not sure whether in other countries this watch will be accessible to your phone, but yeah, here in Thailand you can use the watch via Huawei Health, and I'm using the Z Fold 6 Android. So while waiting for this, let's try to see the I purchased 4 pieces of the tempered screen protector. Better to have spares. Okay. So we will install this later on. Wipes. Okay. 36. back. This is the back. Okay. Try this on. I should really be quick on this because I have cats and the cat fur will really fly. Still clean. Okay. Done. Screen protected. Okay. Done and clear. Yeah. Without any dust, no hair, no cat fur. And it's light. Since this is a titanium, it is very light. Same as my previous watch, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro. So the big difference of the GT5 Pro and just the GT5. For the GT5 Pro, this one, you can use this in an open sea. So the salt water won't really damage any part of the watch. The sensor, the body, the case, it's okay. It's perfectly alright to use this in an open water, sea water. However, the Watch GT5, the stainless ones, you cannot use that in an open sea. For sure it'll get damaged. Although not that fast, but it'll get damaged soon. But for this one, you don't need to worry. And aside from that, they said it has some ECG aside from the heart rate and lots of multi-sports monitoring. It has an ECG and more. So for the Suunto 9 Peak Pro, I had to use my fingertips to measure my heart rate. Just again, because of my tattoo, the sensor couldn't penetrate to the skin. But this one, I can measure. Not 100%, not all the time, but at least it'll do the job from time to time. 64.